In this myofascial release tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to release your calf muscle with your tibia, so your shin bone. This would be something that I would potentially give to somebody that is on the go, that wants to get a release through the calf. Maybe they want to do a bit more release than stretching, and they're in a position where they maybe don't have any equipment with them. You can use massage oil for this, that is completely optional. And I'm going to be using a yoga block just so you can see what I'm doing better on the camera. Again, this is optional as well, you don't have to use one, but it's nice to pop something underneath your knee that you're going to be on, so you might want to use, for example, a pillow if you've got one. So firstly, the tibia is at the front of the shin, and I'm going to be using this part of my right leg to go through my left leg with a myofascial release. So I'm going to pop my left knee on this yoga block so you can see me better. My foot goes down and I come onto 4 points of contact with the floor. I'm now going to bring my right leg up. From here, I'm going to have my tibia, so that shin bone, in contact with my left calf. I'm now going to push down as much as I can tolerate. So for example, for me, I'm looking for that 7 out of 10 sweet spot where it's not too much, but I can feel pressure. And then I'm going to glide down the calf nice and slowly, still applying that pressure. And I'm going to release off just before I hit the ankle. Again, coming down, applying pressure. Keep that pressure consistent. And as soon as I'm off the gastroc and I start to feel that Achilles tendon, I'm going to come off. And I'm going to repeat this for my desired amount of sets and repetitions. You can do this on both sides, and that is how to do a myofascial release for your calf with the tibial saw technique.